people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, again name, eh? Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle and fashion vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. So you guys, today is a wonderful day. Today is a beautiful day. Uche and hubby are coming to Amaru, which is our maternal home, the place where she grew up, and we're getting ready for them. We're currently on our way to the market. Me and Uche, my big brother, we're on our way to the market to go buy things that we would use to cook soup for them. So you guys, without further ado, Uche is already in a hurry and he's boiling. I've wasted this time enough. Let us dive right into the video. It's going to be fun, so do well to sit back, relax, enjoy, and don't skip this video. Don't go anywhere.
So the name of this market is Ekututu Market, the biggest and most popular market in Osu local government, Imo State. I think someone requested for this video about a year ago, but I couldn't go to the market that time, so I couldn't get the video. They sell different things in this market, food stuff, clothes, anything you need in it. Like, it is really massive, but we just went to the food stuff place because we were in a hurry and it's food stuff. We came to buy things for cooking. So at this point, we were checking for the best chicken to carry, like the best chicken to buy. You guys, I've never carried chicken in my life, and I'm going to try it one day. Anyways, Uche went to different stores and he was not satisfied with the chicken he saw there until he went to the last store and he saw one that he felt was very okay, as Igbo people would say, nke marawa. As you can see, so many people came to buy chicken too on that day, and I saw this turkey, aka tolo. You guys, I hate this thing. Anytime I see it walking on the ground, I always avoid it, except as it's in a cage now.
You guys are currently at Ekututu Market, Osu local government, the popular market in Osu, the market they used to know. And we're currently buying chicken. Uchenna is making cola. He's distracting me, but I hope you guys can hear what I'm saying.
I like to give for your life.
Sig up to you guys. I'll talk to you later. Let's continue.
So guys, we stopped to buy akpu because the akpu mine soaked was not yet ready to be sieved, and we also bought some fresh pepper that will be used to cook the egusi soup, and we also got some ose and suka for President Biko. Then we got the main ingredient for the soup, which is the egusi or melon. And then Mai asked me to help her buy feed for her chicken. Those okuki would always give me headache. Those okuki would I'm always chasing. I got feed for them in the market here, the starter for the young ones and the finisher for the already grown ones. And yeah, we're done with Ekututu and we're off to our home. So guys, our egusi soup is getting ready.
The woman is around though. Oh, Doc, you look so cute. Welcome. Our married one is around. Up your gown.
Up your gown.
Please come and see. The backyard is full.
Who is around?
Until you just came. This is Meso.
Jesus!
See Meso, ma, you not see how grown they are.
They gonna come and hug me, Jesus! I did not know she was the one! Jesus, my baby!
See Messi.
See Messi! Oh my God!
Messi is not a big girl.
This one! So you're looking at me. Come here, sister! See my baby! I support our children. Hello!
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you your married
House people! Hello!
Uche, she person me say the picture ni ULO. Come, let me dance now. Okay, let me snap the body.
He's not a big man.
This boy, he's ripping you.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Yeah, welcome to my house. They are not going to Sokoto. They are not going to Sokoto.
Come and say it on the camera again.
No going here. They are not going.
Yeah, they're not going to.
I'm saying it over.
They are not going to where?
They are not going to Sokoto again.
Amanda, Mama, how are you? Mama, where is your baby? Your baby is.
So you guys, we are here. Is it only beer that you put bought? So the people that don't drink beer, where's the mouth? Okay, I don't fear already. So is this Heineken? Okay, is it? Are we carrying Heineken on life? Okay, can't you go to those here? Okay, Uche, she's carrying. Okay, the wine is too. Okay. Where's the mouth? Where's the mouth? At the back. Okay, this is a carton of Malta Guinness. You guys, our married sister is here. I just got this cap from her. This was a wedding cap. I was not opportune to get it during the wedding planning and on the wedding day because I was running around, and I've gotten it now. I've been looking for a dark colored cap and I've grabbed the navy blue. Yeah. And you guys keep on enjoying the vlog. I hope you have been enjoying it so far.
Fine. What's your name? How is your baby?
Where is your baby?
Inside. You have baby now?
Where's Kamsio?
Okay, bye.
Hi, is Kamsio?
Oh, go man.
Mama Negu.
Go man.
My Jalu Negu. We don't know Nisi.
So her in-law was offered groundnut to eat, and he first of all gave NWAANYI, gave NWAANYI, and after giving them, he gave our eldest sister before he took his own and offered everyone around. He said that's how it's supposed to be culturally. So you guys, please explain more for me in the comment section. Yeah, and let me switch over from this voiceover and leave you to keep on enjoying the video.
So guys, food is ready. The egusi soup is ready, and Uche is about pounding the fufu that they will eat. We couldn't pound fufu at home because Mai just soaked it yesterday and it's not yet ready to be sieved and pounded. So we're pounding the one we bought at Ekututu this morning so that everyone can eat.
Oh, we came to a good mistake. You just send their number.
It's not small, you know. Hey. Hey.
You want for number? You only If you know me, I'm for the so crown is up.
So these are the gifts that Uche was given for her sent forth into marriage, popularly called IDU or ULO in Igbo language. The drum was given to her by NWAANYI, who is my mom's eldest brother, who stood as a father for us while we were growing up. NWAANYI, my mom's eldest brother's wife, gave her the mortar and the pestle, the two mortars and the two pestles. This bath was given to her by my cousins, another of my cousin's mother. Yeah, she's a relative too from my mom's side. And the cooler was given to her by another of my auntie's mother. That's all of them are relatives from my mother's side. These are the gifts they gave to her. This is different from the gift my mom is going to be giving to her as the parents of the bride. I don't know if you understand. Yes, in Iduno, in Igbo language, in Igbo culture, is very vast. People from your mother's side, your father's side, friends, majorly your family actually, can send you forth into marriage and pray for you as they give you those gifts, and pray for a marriage full of joy, peace, bliss, abundance, and all of that good stuff. Anyways, you guys, let us continue with the rest of the video.
Married woman.
Yeah? I'm wearing my mother's dress.
Oh, can you walk for Zen also?
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Amamo. Bye. Amen. Amen. No do zenu.
Amen. Who is crying? Every time sucking breast.
So guys, that was it. Uche was given a warm welcome and we had fun and laughed and married as we usually do as a family. Anyways, you guys, this will bring us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, do give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site. The ministry is moving, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss kiss, love you.